Hey yo, mama always told me, too long, you're one in a million. Always watch your back, never tangle with Jamaican Sicilians. Because those Jamaican Sicilians are trying to rob you for your millions. Why am I smiling for no apparent reason? It's fucking winter and spring season. Now I mean it's a freestyle session. Too Long Quest, that's my name I gotta mention. I do this every day, every night, or even early in the fucking Thursday morning. I'm just fucking rapping, freestyling, what's happening? I'm just chilling. Everybody hands better start clapping, feet start tapping, everybody on the dance floor start dancing and moving and grooving and smoothing. Get what I'm saying? I ain't playing. You know what I'm saying? I'm just chilling, doing my thing. Yeah, like a villain. Yeah, I'm in the building. That's what I'm saying. Yeah. All y'all fake ass niggas and fake ass bitches bust should be getting a racing. You know what I'm saying? I ain't playing on a place to be in. Those is sin. Mama always told me, too long, you're one in a million. Always watch your back, ching ching. Never tangle with Jamaican Sicilians, cause those same Jamaican Sicilians were trying to steal you for your million. You know what I'm saying, my nigga? You know what I'm saying, my jigger? You know what I'm saying, my puta que pasa? Mira, amiga, buena señorita, como está puesto esto familia? Me there. Big up America, big up IT, big up Jamaica, big up America, big up Hispaniola, big up Jamaica. We're there. Rah. Yo. Magam in there.